1987 Topps Rack Pack box. This will be video 2 of 2. We're going to pull Rack Pack 2 of 2. Picked up this box from McNulty Sports Cards, my favorite sports card shop. I'm sorry, 48 cards in a Rack Pack. Oh, I have to check video 1 of 2. I may have put 42 on there. But 48 cards plus 1 special glossy card. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled. Also to see what rookies we're looking for, what error cards, where corrected cards were made that we're looking for. The top 5 cards, the 100 cards, and then what glossy all-stars we're looking for. Looks like we got that Lance Parrish. Ooh, got a Doc Gooden on the back. Let's go ahead and get into it, see what we pull in this second Rack Pack. 42 cards is what? 88 tops? Maybe it's 88 tops that I was thinking of. As we drop one of our stands. I'll have to check those videos and see. The TikTok videos, I haven't figured out how to edit those. Don't know if there's a way to edit them. All right, so we got a little bit of a bend to these, slight bit. I'm sorry, I'm not seeing it. A little bit of a bend to these cards. Might have to flatten these out a little bit, especially this middle section. It's got kind of an S wave to them. But otherwise, they look great. Start out with our 1987 Topps 1986 American League All-Star Team Glossy card of Lance Parrish. Very nice on that. Do not believe that's going to be on our list. It is not, so probably worth about a quarter, but very good on that single asterisk glossy card. Got Jeff Reardon. Nice. Gary Carter. Rest in peace to Gary. We'll throw him up there. Larry Sheets. Al Nipper. There's Vince Coleman. Very nice. We'll throw Vince some love. Damaso Garcia. Pat Tabler. Manager of the St. Louis Cardinals at the time, Whitey Herzog. We'll throw Whitey some love. Bob Boone. Dwight Evans. Denny Martinez. Mike Brown. Steve Balboni. Jerry Royster. Scott Fletcher. Bob Stanley. Dwight Doc Gooden. Oh, yeah. Lee Smith. Reggie Williams. Ernie Camacho. Alan Ashby. Milt Thompson. Ron Reynolds. Scott McGregor. Daryl Miller. Jim Pankovitz, Steve Lyons, Tom Browning, Chris Cotaroli, Joel Youngblood, Kelvin Schiraldi, Dave Palmer, Mark Portugal, Dave Bergman. That should be, I think that's card number 700. That is, not sure how he got a 100 card. No offense to Mr. Bergman there. But that is going to be a 100 card, and that's going to be worth a nickel. 5 cents on the Dave Bergman. Got Roger Mason, Chris Bossio, Ray Quinones, Terry Poole, Dave Henderson, Ray Searage, Bobby Witt, manager of the Oakland Athletics at the time, Tony La Russa. There is the Chicago White Sox leaders. And let's see who we've got. There we go. Got Julio Cruz on the right and Ed Brinkman on the left. So it must be Julio Cruz was the team leader. That card's going to be worth a nickel. Must be like a batting coach or something. Ooh, nice American League All-Star card of Don Mattingly. This is going to be one of the cards that has an error to it, but I can tell you right now we have the corrected version. The error is that no trademark or TM by logo on front. Well, there's the TM. So we have the corrected version that's worth 30 cents. We've got American League All-Star card of Kirby Puckett. There's George Frazier. Keith Atherton. We've got the Philadelphia Phillies leaders. Let's see who we've got here. Ooh, it's hot outside. Phillies leaders, we've got Glenn Wilson, which should be right here, Juan Samuel, and Vaughn Hayes. Those are your Phillies leaders. That card's going to be worth a nickel. Mark Eichhorn, Ken Landrew. Oh, nice. Future Stars rookie card of Bo Jackson. We'll definitely take that. That's going to be his rookie card, number 170. And it's going to be worth $15. Very good on the Bo Jackson rookie. And finally, Steve Lake. All right, y'all, we'll definitely take those cards. We start out with showing some love to manager of the Cardinals at the time, Whitey Herzog. Picked up American League All-Star corrected card of Donnie Baseball. Picked up Doc Gooden. As well as threw in some love to Vince Coleman. Best card. Two of best cards of the set. Got the Future Stars rookie card of Bo Jackson. That is sweet. American League All-Star card of the late, great Kirby Puckett, rest in peace. Got the late, great Gary Carter, rest in peace to him as well. And our glossy All-Star in this rack pack went to Lance Parrish. All right, folks, there you have it. Video 2 of 2, rack pack 2 of 2, 1987 Topps 48 card rack pack from the box. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned.